Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting strong.
Hi guys, and I'm gonna share with you a look of mine which has become my favorite. So to start off with, I'm first obviously gonna apply the moisturizer and make sure my face is nice and moisturized and hydrated for the makeup to go on. Go all over your face, under your eyes, everywhere. Then I'm going in with some illuminator. Now I'm not adding any primer because I do not really want the makeup to last that long and I'm not going anywhere really. So I have skipped the primer. The illuminator gives your face a nice shine and a glow, so I'm gonna first add that all over my face, and then I'm going in with this foundation which is Buff Beige 130 by Maybelline Fit Me. This color is quite light for me, as you guys can see, so I will go in and add a darker color foundation. Now I forgot to show you guys, but that one is from MAC and I'll put the shade right here. So now the foundation looks a bit more like my color and I was happy with that. So now I'm gonna go in and add some setting powder. I am applying a translucent setting powder to set my foundation in place. I am now going to take a concealer and conceal my under eyes. So I first apply a darker concealer. So this is me applying the darker concealer, and I'm just going to blend it in nicely and then go in with a lighter concealer. So this is from Fit Me in the shade 25 medium, if I'm not wrong. So I'm just going to add that on top. I'm taking it a little bit below my eyes as well, and on my forehead, nose and chin to sort of brighten my face. So I'm just going to apply it there, and then I will blend it out with a blending brush. Now you can obviously use your hands or your fingers as well, or a beauty blender. I am just more comfortable with the brushes, so I'm going to go in with the brush and I'm just going to blend it in to make it look more natural. Now once you're done with the concealer, you want to set the concealer in, and for that we use translucent setting powder. So using some setting powder, I am going to add that on all the parts I have concealed. So basically my under eye, my forehead, my nose and my chin. Now with the powder contour, I'll be contouring my cheekbones, my forehead and my jawline to give my face a more chiseled and a more deeper look. Now moving on to my brows, I'm just going to fill them in lightly. What really happens is when you apply a ton of makeup on your face, your eyebrows end up looking a little bit duller. So just to make it even and to make it look normal, we just fill in the eyebrows. Now let's go in with the blush. I'm using this pretty pink color blush and I'm just going to add that all on my cheek. And as you can see, this blush just changes the look. I'm adding some highlighter on my cheekbones, and also I'll be adding some on my nose. Moving on to the eyelids, I'm going to conceal my eyelids so they are ready for the eyeshadow to go on them. And using this brush, I'll just blend it all out to make it look natural and even. Using this brown color, I am just going to add that on my crease just to start off the eye makeup. Now I'm taking it very little by little and I'm layering the product on my eyes, and I'm lightly going to add that. Now I'm going to go in with darker brown and I'm going to add that on my outer corner, and I'll just blend it towards the inside. So as you can see, I first place the color on the outside and then I'm kind of just pushing it inside. Now let me go on and do the same thing on the other eye as well. Now once that's done, go in and take any pastel color of your choice. As you can see, I am taking a blue color and I'm going to add that on my inner corner with a small flat brush. Keep adding your color little by little till you are happy with the intensity. As you can see, I keep layering on every single makeup product that I use. I don't just take a lot in one time and apply the whole thing on my eyes. So layering is the key. Layering and blending is the key to good makeup. So take your time and do it. Using a blue liner pencil, I'm just going to add that on my lower waterline. Taking the same blue that we used earlier, I am going to add that on my lower lash line, outside my lower lash line. And we'll just blend it. You want the look to be complete and you want the blue to kind of pop out. Now once that's done, I'm going to curl my lashes and then we are going to pop on some fake lashes. Oh my god, you guys, these lashes, they take forever. And after 10 hours, I'm done with my lashes finally. Now, since I have these bold blue eyes, I'm going in with a very soft pink lipstick. So I had this lip liner, which is why I'm using it. Otherwise, for nude lipsticks, I don't really use lip liners. But yeah, I added some light pink lipstick, nude pink lipstick, and that is the look. We are done with the look, and that is how it looks. It's a very light and a subtle makeup look, even though we have a very poppy color. And yeah, that is it for the video, guys. Bye bye.